No party is complete in Nigeria without a smoky party jollof. Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel, and if you are new here, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Today's video is not our regular makeup video. Cooking is something that I enjoy doing so well, and today I'll be sharing one of my top 3 recipes with you guys. That is the Nigerian Smokey Party Jollof. Yes, you can cook the Nigerian Smokey Party Jollof from the comfort of your kitchen. My family enjoys this meal so much, and I enjoy making it for them. To achieve the tastiest and the most delicious smoky party jollof, you want to make sure you grill your pepper and onion mix in the oven for about 20 minutes, and you blend this into a paste. This process gives you that smoky taste. Season your protein with variety of herbs and spices, not too much, but enough, because the stock is also an essential ingredient in cooking your jollof rice. For this video, I use turkey wings and fish as my protein. I seasoned the turkey with onions, oregano, parsley, rosemary, dry ginger, dry garlic, curry masala, curry, thyme, white pepper, Maggi, and salt to taste. You can as well use the fresh ginger and the fresh garlic. After cooking the turkey properly, separate the stock and set aside. Another important step is making sure you fry the pepper appropriately. First of all, add oil, vegetable oil, and onions to your pot. Then fry the tomato paste for 10 minutes. Stir occasionally so the tomato paste doesn't get burnt. After that, add the grilled and blended pepper mix to your tomato paste. Also add your spices and seasoning to taste. I will list the spices I use for the turkey stock and the jollof pepper mix in the caption below. Fry the jollof pepper mix very well till the vegetable oil turns red and the consistency looks like what we have in this video. For this video, I used the basmati rice. You can as well use your short grain rice, medium grain, or even the long grain. It doesn't make a difference. You will still get your Nigerian Smokey Party Jollof. The major thing is to make sure you take note of the essential steps to achieve this Nigerian Smokey Party Jollof. Wash the rice with salt and warm water. This is to ensure that some of the starch of the rice is removed. Add the rice to the jollof rice mix and stir properly. Add the stock and hot water, not too much water, but enough to cook the rice because you don't want your rice to get soggy. Cover and allow to cook. When the water is almost absorbed, add your sliced tomatoes, onion, and butter. Mix properly and cover with a foil. At this point, you can reduce the intensity of your cooker because you want your rice to cook with steam properly, okay? And when you reduce the intensity of your cooker, the steam can cook the rice properly. Stir and your smoky party jollof rice is ready. I paired my smoky party jollof rice with turkey, wings, fish, and plantain. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section, and if you want to know how I achieved the glazed turkey and fish, you can drop that in the comment section. I may actually make a video of that process if I have enough comments like that. Trust me, it sure tastes so delicious and yummy as it looks. Do not forget to like and share with your friends and family, and also click the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you get notified when next I drop a new video. Thank you for watching.